This is an old tablet I have. It met its demise falling down a flight of stairs. So now we can take it apart and see what's inside of it. It's a big 10-inch one. Here's what's inside of it. This is the battery. Pretty big, but it didn't explode or anything when it fell down the stairs. That silver thing is a screen. And here's the motherboard. Pretty small. That's the camera. So got the microscope. We'll take a look at some of the components under the microscope and see what we see. Some of the circuitry. This is the camera. Looks like HAL from 2001. If you're familiar with that movie. It's a teeny tiny little camera. Take a look at some other areas here. Some more of the circuitry. It's not licorice, those are actually wires connected to the motherboard. Here you can see where it's soldered in with the silver. Some more circuitry. So overview of the motherboard. Take a look at some more spots. So the capacitors, all soldered together. Some little chips and various connectors. Some writing on it. This is made in China, so naturally there's some Chinese characters. More of the circuitry. That's a screw, believe it or not. Some more of the chips. Some capacitors. Some soldering joints. So that's it. Pretty interesting what's inside one of these things. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.